Hello, advanced math students, and welcome to week 6 of our online presentation of new material. This week we have 3 tasks. These tasks are, first of all, wrapping up the 3-9 worksheet. That'll be due later today by midnight here. And again, remember that the solutions are posted and that can help you. Second thing is we're going to take a quiz dealing with 3-7 through 3-9, which is the using inverse trig to find angles using trigonometry. Then using law of sines, law of cosines to find angles, and then some real life trig problems there. So again, we'll have a practice quiz or a quiz review if you would like. And again, those solutions will drop on Thursday morning here. And then finally, to end this week, we will have a quiz, the same size as the actual practice. Actually, it's one less problem here. And again, that'll be due on Friday. Again, feel free to reach out to me if you want to have a Google Meet video conference to go through some things. Those of you turning in materials, you guys have been doing an excellent job. I'm very proud of you. Those of you that are a little bit behind or just kind of lagging things, let's kind of get going. And again, reach out to me with an email or a post response through Google Classroom, and we'll get you through this. I will have an overview next week that will kind of entail what's going on the last couple of weeks. There will be some enrichment things, some makeup things, and just some probably some games, quizzes, and so forth that are online. So just more kind of winding things down, wrapping things up, and trying to get you to the point where you will not have to worry about your grades. So anyway, stay well. I'm doing well. This is something that has been really challenging for me at times, and I've learned a lot about doing online work and about myself as well. So this is about growing, and hopefully you guys are hanging in there. So take care, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye.